Hi everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. So Inside Cosmetics launched 3 new products on Nykaa and I picked up 2 of them. And if you guys are interested to know my share of thoughts about these 2 products, then all you have to do is stay tuned till the end of this video. So these are the 2 new launches from Inside Cosmetics. The one I picked up is Halo Glow Illuminator and the next one I picked up is their holographic eyeliner. Let me just talk about the Illuminator first. It comes in 4 shades for the price of rupees 300 each, wherein you get 20 grams of product and it expires on 2027. So you just have 2 years of shelf life. This is how the outer packaging looks like, which is really very fancy and flashy. Comes with a copper gold kind of packaging. You'll find the logo and the shade name, and the shade I picked up for myself is 04 Solar Kiss, which is the large shade. And at the back you'll find the rest of the details along with the ingredient list. Also on the side you'll find it how to use and the ways to use it. This is absolutely fragrance free, toxic free, 100% vegan, cruelty free and dermatologically tested. Also over here on the barcode you will find the shade name. So now let me show you the inner packaging. And that's how the inner packaging looks like, which comes in a very beautiful frosted glass packaging with a dropper. At the bottom you'll find the shade name and the number. Let me tell you, the glass packaging is of really good quality. It doesn't feel inexpensive by any means because this has got a really nice weight to it, and I really love the packaging, you guys. It is very cute and very nice overall to hold in my hand. Just look at it, how beautiful it looks. If you keep it in your vanity, it is going to steal all the show, let me tell you that. Now let me tell you what I think about this product because I have been trying it for 3 days now. Now before I start talking about the product in detail, let me just give you a swatch of the shade Solar Kiss. So that's how the consistency is. It's really runny, and look at the shade, you guys. It's a very pretty warm gold shade that is going to suit most of our brown skin girls. If you are deeper, dusky, rich in skin tone, still it is going to look beautiful. Just look at the luminous finish it provides. The shimmer particles present inside is absolutely finely milled, that does not feel chunky by any means. Now coming to the formulation and the product itself, it has a very beautiful runny consistency that feels absolutely lightweight with no fragrance at all. And the shimmer particles, as I said, is extremely finely milled, that does not give you an illusion of disco ball. On the other hand, it just melts into your skin, giving you that luminous skin finish that feels like you are lit from within. Now I would say you cannot use this all by itself like the Inside Radiance Filter, because the Inside Radiance Filter has some pigment in it that is going to give you a very even skin tone, but this on the other hand is a true straight up illuminator that you can use it under your foundation like I did. I tried this with 3 different foundation formulation. The first I tried it with my Mars Bloom BB cream and I really love the finish because this is dewy, and when I tried it on top of the illuminating base, it added a really very radiant look, very glowy, very dewy. My skin looked as if my skin is glowing from within. The next I tried it with the Mars Zero Blend foundation, and as you already know, this has a medium coverage. Despite the coverage, the radiance was peeking through. And today when I was doing my makeup, I thought I'll use a high coverage foundation to see how the radiance is. So I started with my illuminating base and then I used my Huda Beauty 4 Filter Luminous foundation. As you already know, this has a high coverage. Anything gets covered under this. But even after completing my entire makeup, you can actually see the glow peeking through. You can see my radiance peeking through, which is looking as if I'm glowing from within. It is giving me a very youthful radiance, nothing too overpowering, nothing too shimmery like a disco ball. But I have noticed that it takes a lot of effort if you are using a foundation buffing brush. I feel it blends very easily with your finger. It just gets melted into the skin and it just looks gorgeous, you guys. You can use it under your makeup as your highlighter and mixed with the skincare product or your moisturizer to give you that luminous finish. And if you want, you can use it on your body to highlight your areas wherever you want to highlight. And today I tried using this illuminator on the highest points of my face just to see how actually it layers. To my surprise, it layered very nicely. Even on my cream products, it did not look patchy or streaky or lifted my base makeup. And when I used it under my foundation as my base to give me that illuminated look, it did not even cling onto any of my dry patches, and it looks very comfortable on my dry and matured skin, and that's why I can say it is going to suit each and every skin types in India. Also today I tried using an eyeshadow brush to blend out this illuminator to see how actually it looks. It blended very nicely without turning streaky. It just went on effortlessly and seamlessly, you guys, and look at the result. It is all in front of you. I really love liquid illuminators having such qualities in them, because if it had a thicker consistency, it definitely would have looked patchy, it would have looked streaky, and it would have also cling onto the patches if you have any on the skin. And you can alter the finish of this illuminator from a very intense high shine illuminated look to a very subtle everyday kind of glow. So summer is already here, and if you're planning for a beach vacation, looking out for a good liquid illuminator under budget that can be used in multiple ways, your search ends here. So I would give this product a thumbs up, and this is a very versatile in itself. There are some ways to use this illuminator, and it says that it provides you with lightweight affordable blending formula infused with light reflecting pearl for luminous finish, enhances and highlights your features, provides a radiant lit from within kind of glow, available in stunning shades that is going to complement Indian skin tone, comes with a dropper applicator for precise usage, and it is versatile that can be used alone or mixed with the rest of the product. And now talking about the Inside Cosmetics newly launched smudge free holographic eyeliner. These also comes in 4 shades for the price of rupees 300 each, wherein you get 5 grams of product with 2 years of shelf life. That's how the outer packaging looks like, which is really very minimal. At the top you'll find the shade name and the number. The shade I picked up for myself is 2 Turquoise Illusion, and it is also waterproof. That gives you 12 hours of stay. At the back you'll find the rest of the details. And if you're interested for overall description, you can head on to Nykaa's app. You'll find the complete description with the rest of the details like the ingredient list, the manufacturing details, and everything over there. And that's how the inner packaging looks like. You will find the details over here, the brand name and everything, and the shade name on the bottom. It comes in a beautiful metallic rose gold cap, and here is the applicator. Well, the applicator is not very fine and precise. That is one thing I wanted to point out over here. Now that's how the shade Turquoise Illusion looks like. It's not your typical very glittery liquid eyeliner, but on the other hand it gives you that metallic finish. Now it has a shift from turquoise to purple. That is what I wanted to show, but it's really very difficult to catch the exact shade on the camera. I hope you can make an idea when I'm turning my hand that it is going from turquoise green to purple. So yeah, Now let me tell you, this is kind of waterproof, but it is not exactly your smudge proof, because if I smudge, it smudges very easily. Just look at it, and it feels a lot tacky. I don't know why, and it takes a while to dry out. You will have to give a good 5 to 7 minutes time to dry out completely. In one stroke you get a sufficient pigment, and if you want you can layer very easily, but as I said, the consistency is very liquidy. It takes a time to dry out, and once it dries out you can nicely layer it on top of each other, because if you try and layer it immediately, then it is going to give you that streaky and patchy kind of look. Honestly speaking, I did not like this eyeliner whatsoever, because I really had high expectation. Let me tell you, whatever eye products I tried from Inside Cosmetics, I never liked it, and I did not had high hopes from this, though I had much expectation that this time it is going to work on me. But despite of all those expectation, it did not work on me whatsoever. I did not like the formulation, you guys, so you can totally give it a pass. I don't think it's worth 300 rupees, and it does not have tons of shift if you look very closely. I will also give you a demo of this at the end of the video, so you can have a fair idea how actually the shade looks in itself. I'll give you some close-up swatch so that you can see for yourself how actually the shade Turquoise Illusion looks in itself. So you can totally give this a pass, and you can try the Illuminator instead. And I feel because it does not have an intense holographic shift, I hope it works on a black base that can actually bring out the color in itself. Though it is waterproof, but it comes off really very easily with any micellar water or cleansing oil. So you really do not have to do a lot with this. Alright, you guys, that's a wrap for today. Hope you found the content helpful and informative. If you did, please take a moment to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You can also follow me on my social handles, whose link I have mentioned it in the description box. Please come and say hi, and I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye. Take care.